Hello guys, a Brazilian curly waist is one of the most gorgeous hairstyles that every woman would like to have on her head. If you are new to hair business and want to know more about this hair extension, don't miss the video today. Hi there, it's Jasmine here today. There are a lot of type hair extension products available in the market, but the real hair extension are made from Brazilian hair, which is the highest quality of human hair. In this video, we are going to tell you the truth about the most popular version Brazilian hair extensions. Version Brazilian hair extension has gained the most popularity in the last few years due to its luxury texture and versatility. Version Brazilian hair extension is beautiful and it makes the most good-looking hair extensions. It's come in wavy, straight, and curly patterns. The straight textures are not sponsored and it tends to have a light weight in it. Version Brazilian hair extension blend well with the natural aesthetic human hair and can last up to 1 year or more due to the proper care. Typically, Brazilian hair extension is connected from the donors in South American region. Most of the donors come from the small rural place in the Brazil, where they are paid for growing and then donating the healthy and strong hair. Unfortunately, true Brazilian hair extension is very scarce. Actually, the majority of hair labeled version Brazilian curly hair extension is curly Indian hair that is steamed. It's very common for hair suppliers to come from Brazilian and buy wholesaling hair, then take it back to their country, then mark it up, and sell to women across the world. K-Hair also import Brazilian hair extension directly from Brazil. Or if our customer like Vietnamese hair but Brazilian curly hairstyle, we can also make it for you. Brazilian hair offers a luxuriously soft, low maintenance interval that will last about 12 to 24 months with proper care. This texture blends seamlessly with the most hair types and can be colored, straightened, and styled with ease. Once straightened, simply wetting the hair will return its original wave pattern. Be sure to use a shampoo and lightly use up a 100% silk bonnet or ruff which significantly prolong your instant. If you want your hair that is thick and can last well, buy Brazilian curly hair extension is a right choice. A sensual look that will give you great confidence as you walk down the street and make you want to show off and feel comfortable that your hair extension will feel natural when others touch them. Now you can buy Brazilian curly hair extension from K-Hair Factory. We bring this extension are made from human hair or natural hair and the highest quality in the market. If you have more questions about this popular Brazilian curly hair extension, welcome contact me directly on my WhatsApp number over here. I am happy to solve all of your problems with the hair. This is video for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, especially if you are new to hair business and want to know more about Brazilian hair extension and want to buy them for starting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos every week on K-Hair channel. Goodbye.